Okay, so today I'm going to put a new end can on the V-Strom 1000. I've chosen a Black Widow and you'll see more of that in a minute. But yes, the big ugly exhaust is coming off and the little one's going on. So first of all, have a bit of a sound check. Okay, so that's standard exhaust. So first of all, what do you get for your 200 quid? Instructions, stickers, lanyard, link pipe, by the looks of it, with some quite nice welding on it. Cool. Alright, some exhaust sealant. Haven't had that before with an exhaust. And obviously the exhaust hanger, your nuts and bolts. And it's already got the baffle in this one. I can't remember which one I bought. I think it's the SP Engineering one I bought. I had to buy a baffle for it. There you go. What a beast. Should make a bit of a difference. Let's get it on. Well, there's the first good find. Clip's absolutely rusted right through. Makes it easier to take off. That definitely hasn't been on for, well, since new. I've just got to get this exhaust gasket off, do a bit of a clean up and start rebuilding. Okay, so that's that cleared out. Let's get the new exhaust and start mating up the surfaces. Right, that's close enough. Just need to take it apart again, put some gunk in it, some exhaust sealer, and obviously do the brackets up. And that's it. It will be fitted. Okay, that's it all on. Now for another sound check. Oh. Oh, I think that's staying out for a little while. Very nice. Yeah, just been out for a run. Forgot to wipe off the exhaust paste first. So that's a nice mess. But yes, gorgeous.